Did you see my idea for a quick Mother's Day card that you can draw? I jotted the idea in my sketchbook when I was thinking of my mom. I start with big block letters, and if you look at the M for mom, you will see that it has an M in the middle at the bottom. That center M serves as a platform around which I draw the rest of my M. When adding the O and M, I tried to keep the width of my letters consistent. A few extra pen strokes at the bottom ground my letters while evening out the bottom. Now it looks like I drew in a straight line. This first little birdie at the top consists of a round head and a slightly squishy body. And then I added a few details like the tail and the wing. Similarly, this other bird on the other side of the M also is just a head and body with details added. For the nest full of eggs, I made a bunch of little X's to place the eggs in. And then I drew 3 little eggs for my sisters and I, added a few more X's to make the nest the right size, and just a few curved lines at the edge. Because I made 2 birds and 3 eggs, I know my mom is going to recognize them as being our family. And now, because this is a simple little drawing and it is easy and something that I want to have approachable for everyone, I'm just drawing a few leaves and some grass, and it's going to be a really simple little decorative card. The idea with sharing my cards that I make for my family and friends with you is so that you can have some quick, easy ideas that you can implement with just a few pens or pencils or crayons. And so you can save some money and make something really special for someone you love. If you do find value in videos like this, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and maybe even like or share this video so that I can bring more content and we can share this with more people who also might want to make simple little cards that are pretty easy to follow along with in order to share some love with their friends and family. All of the pens and pencils that I use are listed at the end of the video, as I typically do. Here is a final look at the card. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you have a wonderful week. A shout out to all the moms out there and the people who are writing cards for them. See you next time.